They were getting ready to paint the outside of the caboose with primer, and in preparation of doing that, I'm going to mask off these windows in here so no paint gets inside. Well, my dad is inside reading about the sprayer and seeing how it works. I'm short of a cameraman out here, so I'm using a tripod, and that's what we're doing. We're just cutting out masks for the windows with cardboard. Okay, now we have to cut it out. Alright, so that's basically the process. I'm not going to bore you guys with cutting out 13 windows. So we're just going to repeat that 12 times and we'll come back. Alright, we are almost done. We just got one more window to do there. Box up. We're taping up the daylight showing through cardboard. And once we're done, we should be set. Alright, we're just about done. I said just about. We covered all the openings here. We're reinforcing them with tape. Alright, we just had a little change of plans. We are not going to be doing the exterior painting today because we need to go do a Home Depot run, pick up some more black paint that we use on the trucks, paint the coupler pockets here and the underframe. So that's what we'll be doing. We'll probably be getting to the exterior priming another week. We just got ahead of ourselves, so we need to go do the undercarriage, and we will be back from Home Depot in a little bit. Got back from Home Depot. We got some paint. And we got a wire brush attachment for the grinder. Now what we're going to do is we're sanding the wood putty that we put on here. And we're going to sand it down till it's smooth and paint the underside with the new paint that we just picked up. I'm going to use the grinder attachment to grind the couplers back to a grass finish. So that's what we're doing.
No, the other one. It's a lock nut. That one is.
So what we're doing now is we took the frame off, and it's sitting over there, and we sanded that. And what we're going to do is we're going to repaint that. And now that we have free space on the bottom of the caboose there, we're just sanding and just to get it smooth. And And then we'll paint that, the underframe.
You go with this, that way we know.
Sanding, we're going to take those bottom toolboxes off and paint them separately. So I'm going to go ahead and take those off right now. Here's the first one. There is the second one. So now that we got both toolboxes off and they're separated, we're going to go ahead and paint them separately with the black paint. That's about it for today. We're going to save painting the undercarriage and the toolboxes for another day. We finished up sanding for the most part. In fact, there's still going to have to be some that needs to be done. And hey, tomorrow's RAILFAIR. Yay! Hey, tomorrow's RAILFAIR. Yay! Yay! Gonna be a great day at the club tomorrow. Tons of trains. Really fun. So we'll see you next time, guys. Over and out. Bye. Alright, what we're doing today is we're taking some cardboard, and can you see this on the camera? I don't even know. Can you see? We'll start that again. What we're doing is we're taking some cardboard, and what I'm doing is we're getting ready to spray the paint today. So what I'm going to do is, we're going to see if we can, what we're doing today is we're in preparation for spraying the primer on the side of the caboose. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take some cardboard and mask out the windows while Dad's inside reading the Oh, wait, the camera turned on, I'm putting it on the truck.
Another day, buddy. Plenty of that.
You made it record.
Oh.
I stopped it before.
Oh, so that's a blooper then.
Oh yeah, hey look, we got strawberry.
I'm going to try to find the correct wire brush over there, buddy.
Okay.
So, is this rolling?
Yes.
Oh. So, it might take me a while.
I'm going to cut that. That's about it for today. So,